Hello, and today we are going to be doing a presentation on my houses that I've been through. So I'm going to go to Paint 3D. I'm going to go, okay, hold on. We're going to do new, do 3D library. I don't know, but yeah, we're going to search up some models. And do a house or a man. Okay, we're gonna go like that. Okay, let's see here. Okay, we're gonna make that. Hold on, it just has to load. Okay. Okay, what the heck is this? Okay, wow, this is in Minecraft. Okay. Well, this was somewhat like our house, our old house. My very, very old house that I lived in. And then, so that was one. Just gonna put that down there, okay. And then we're gonna do again 3D library, and after that we went to a house. And just a normal house. Residential house, yeah. That was more like it. I'll switch. So somewhat like this. Had a garage back here. Not a door, there's no door. There's a different color, there was like a big backyard. It's more like this kind of color. Yep, and so then I just make it go down there again. Okay. Again 3D library after that house. And I got a divorce, so to a apartment. City apartment. Small building apartment. So this is technically what we did. I'm just like put it in. It's just loading it. Okay, it's loaded. So this was sort of what it was like. It had a garage back here, right there, where my crosshair is. So you used to go like this, and then there would be another person like right across from me, our house, and then I think after that, it's like about, I don't know, it's like about that big. We'd like, yeah. So yep, that was another house. Let me just flip it like that. Just, yep. Okay, so I'm gonna just make that go down here, and then we're gonna go back. And this was my last house that I lived in. Just okay, house. Now I'm gonna pick a different one. It's not like that. That's like, I don't know. But yeah. Maybe. Okay, hold on. So, if I'm just correct. Just trying to find a house. Oh, here. So, okay. Here we go. House scene. This should be enough. Okay. Yeah. So, let me just get on to house scene. Come on. Ugh, this thing. Don't do anything. Oh, still loading. I hate this. But it still has to load for some reason. Okay. This was sort of like my house. Right now. It has a tree, a garden right here on the side, like a tree here. A building that's coming up right here. A tree, has a garage back here. It's a little bigger than that. It's like that big. And I don't have that kind of car. I have like a white van. So yeah. That is all the houses I have been through in my whole entire life. Just put that back down here. And I think